Hello everybody. Sorry for the background, that's my little brother there. And I'm gonna be,
So, I went in Five Below by myself without Talia. Not even Mr. Menendez now. Really quickly, what I got was this bubblies thing. This looks so neat. I got some kind of squish attack hot dog. I got a cool dead fish. What? This is so neat. I can't wait to open this thing up. Some kind of jiggle pet. Talia's gonna love making this jumbo squishy thing. And then I got a bunch of these. A bunch of them because they were on sale. A bunch. A bunch. When I say a bunch, a bunch. I think I got like 12 of them. They were $4. I got a bunch. And these are for Talia.
I'm gonna be opening up some fidgets today. I'm sorry that I haven't been posting any videos at all because TikTok. I just have been TikToking and stuff. So fidgets are around and I have a huge collection already. So this is all from Five Below. Let's do the dead fish. This looks interesting. Oh, it's tape. I need scissors. Open this up. Right now. I need it right now. Thank you. Oh. This is nice. And yes, my mom did surprise me with all of this. I was not with her at all. And he's making a big water mess. Right here. So now we're going with the sand hot dog. So this needs to be cut. Okay. Take it.
Oh my gracious. Open something else.
Right now? You're still recording? Hey, alright. So we're gonna open something else from that thing that just go on to this. Oh, this is nice. Really, Lolita? That's my little brother. He's only 1 year old, so that's why he's super loud. This is really nice. A lot of people on TikTok were saying that it was hard to find. Let's go on with these jumbo squishies or something. I don't know. But this is what we got. More taping. Can I have that, please? He's up. So if you hear any, that's him. Okay, and my mom surprised me with all of this. It felt like nothing's on it. What the heck? Excuse me.
We have a visitor.
OMG! Do you see this? That fell. We got bees. Okay. I know all of you might be waiting for this thing. It's unboxed. This is better than my banana. And a visitor. Can you please move? He's all in my TikToks, my mom TikToks, even my videos. Like right now. Sorry I haven't been posting in a long time. So we have this thing, whatever it's called. And we're gonna open it up. Oh, this is from Five Below. If you're wondering, because I said that at the beginning. So, and he's in the way again. Well, at least. Oh gosh, I have it right here, so you might be able to read it a little bit better. Oh, that one's really easy. All right. Oh. And another time, he walks past the camera. What is up with?
At least say hello.
Yeah.
You gonna say hello?
So it feels really nice. See, this is why I can't make anything. This is what he does.
So rude.
Right, we got this.
My gracious.
Oh gosh. Alright.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna grab this. Ooh.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, this is like so cool. Let's see. 3, 2, 1.
It works. It does something.
It's on right now.
Yeah, like, I don't know how it works, but it's supposed to do something. Bark. Wiggle.
Bark.
That's weird.
What is that supposed to do? Do we have anything? It don't give you no distraction. Like, that's it. And another time he came. This is why I can't do anything. If you guys are wondering why I don't post on,
Oh, that's still broken.
it's broken. Did she just say broken?
It did. Look like it.
Oh, and my mom got me more of these.
What was it do?
There's 10 she got me, so this is one of the 10. Let's see what it says. You. Joy. And just look at this boy. He just wants to...
What is it do? What was that?
Woolly. He's trying to make the... Sorry for that, everybody. What is it supposed to do?
I don't know.
But we're just going to entertain you guys with this jumbo thing.
He's backing up to get back in the camera.
Oh, he knows what we're trying to move, so he won't get in the camp. And just at least say hi. There's slime in this thing. My mom said that this
It's called a dead fish.
Yeah, it's called dead fish. Oh, because there's different ones. I know there's different ones like the dead worm or anything, but this is like really nice. Then we go back here. Oh my gosh, my squishy thing is back there. Bubba, don't. Ah! She bited it.
OMG.
So, he is. So this is a big balloon. Am I supposed to put water in this?
I'm doing everything.
Am I supposed to put water in this?
I don't know. You have to read the instructions.
Where's the distraction?
You probably tossed it. Okay.
Oh, it's right here.
He's like invading your video. You see the back of your head. Okay. So
He got a
let's
tear.
take a break here.
Blah 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 blah. There's the distraction.
There you go.
It says make sure to read all information.
Exactly.
There's like 100 words on here.
Yep.
I'm not reading it.
You're not reading it. Guess what? You don't do it.
I know what it is. You just put some
Nope.
water in it.
Nope. Gotta read the instructions.
Oh my gosh.
You don't have to do it now.
Okay, then what do I do?
Nothing. In the video.
Bye, everybody. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment and share this video. Bye.
Should I say bye?